So Jakarta EE 11 is the second release. We're adding functionality since we did this major namespace change in Jakarta EE 9. And Jakarta EE 11 continues what we started in Jakarta EE 10 by removing things that have been deprecated and waiting to be removed for a while. So it's a leaner, cleaner, smaller, faster release. We also raised the Java SE level to 21, so it will be using some of the features that has been involved in the Java releases since 11. So we will be able to pick up the virtual threads in Loom, for example. Some of the APIs will be updated to support Java records. So there are lots of good things coming. So the importance is that we continue what we started, and we're also trying to establish a release cadence. So if we can have a predictable release cadence with Jakarta EE, such as delivering it 6 to 9 months after a Java SE LTS release, then people will know when to expect things, and I think that is very important. Okay, my favorite feature of Jakarta EE 11 is actually Jakarta Data. It's a new specification that is added to this release, and it will simplify data access for developers, so increasing developer productivity. And it is a feature that developers have asked for a long time. It's already supported in the Spring framework with Spring Data, so now we're finally getting it here in Jakarta EE as well. In the next Jakarta EE release, I would like to see support for Jakarta NoSQL. I think that is a continuation of what we're doing with Jakarta Data, make it easier for developers to connect to various data sources. I also would like to see something going on with the Jakarta RPC, which is a new specification. It has some foundation work already done, but that is a specification that needs a little attention. So if there are anybody out there that have some knowledge about RPC or gRPC, they should join that project team and help that go on.